Jamie brings the big boom.
1, go!
Yep.
To celebrate the final season, this is the Mythbusters number crunching countdown.
3.
Synonymous with the show, the teams racked up an impressive number of countdowns. 920 of them. They've used 18 tons and more than 8 types of explosive. The most famous was 850 pounds of ANFO. And the biggest, 5,000 pounds.
Jamie wants big boom.
But mostly, it's been an epic orgy of operatic carnage.
Looks good.
All right. That's the last thing that truck will ever do. If you're just tuning in, we've been messing stuff up all over the place. Unexploded TNT there. And in the process, have had a few of our own MacGyver moments. Ah, yes! That's a mail truck. Inside of it, 84 pounds of dynamite. Any minute now, we're gonna find out just how MacGyver we are.
But first, this time they got to ensure everything goes boom.
The last time we had some bundles of dynamite that were sitting underneath the table, well, it didn't work so well.
Our best guess is that we detonated 2 sticks of dynamite.
This time around, I'm going to be putting our dynamite inside a box that's made out of 1-inch plywood, and it's going to be completely sealed and anchored. It's going to work this time.
It will explode, but will the cement smother the blast?
There are a couple of different things to think about.
That's our package.
That's your package.
And the first is that concrete is heavy, and it's going to absorb a lot of the explosion.
84 pounds of dynamite, 185 pounds of pure man.
On the other hand, there's something known as water hammer.
Push, good.
And that's what happens if you close a tap really quickly, and it can deliver a hydraulic shock to the plumbing, which can actually rupture it.
That is beautiful.
Now, this concrete could deliver something like a water hammer to the exterior of the truck and bust it up really efficiently.
There we go.
Now, whether that does it more efficiently than it did without any concrete in the mail truck, that's what we're about to test.
That's it.
Let's cap in and get out of here.
Okay.
It's been one of the most testing test setups in Mythbusters history.
All right, sir, you ready?
I'm ready. I'll go ahead and arm it.
But they're primed to finally find out if MacGyver's quick-thinking cement solution would have saved the situation.
This is MacGyver, mail truck filled with cement and 84 pounds of dynamite. And 3, 2, 1, go!
It made a jet straight up.
That was a thud.
Truck's all gone.
The truck was completely destroyed.
Well, there's your problem.
But there is evidence that the concrete altered the characteristics and intensity of the explosion.
This is really interesting, Jamie. In that first blast, there was a shock wave. And it knocked all the legs of our shrapnel catchers off. But I'm looking at the shrapnel catchers that are nearby, they're mostly intact. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say